follow on well-known lone pavements I roam through wide open space with no maps or foot tracks, no turn backs. I'm in deep. I'm still out here and I'm still moving along, still wondering. I'm still distant, far away. I'm believing in long reaches. I'm leaning in and I'm hanging on. I'm still out here and I'm still moving along, still wondering.
Oh, beautiful. Hi. This beautiful dress. Oh my God. Looks great.
Very handsome too.
Thank you.
Still wondering. I am not lost, I'm still just wondering where I go. I am not certain that I know I will be fine where I go. I am not certain that I know all in good time, all in good time.
I promise to be faithful, supportive, loyal, and give you companionship throughout the changes of our life. I vow to bring happiness, and I will treasure you as my companion. I will celebrate the joys of life with you.
I promise to support your dreams and walk beside you, offering courage and strength through all endeavors. I promise to be there for you and catch your tears after every Rutgers football loss. And I will support you in all of the silly bets you make with your friends, no matter how ridiculous they may be. From this day forward, I will be proud to be your wife and your best friend.
By the vows you have exchanged and the integrity of your commitment, in the presence of the mystery of the wonder of life, and in the company of dear family and friends, here at the Olde Mill Inn in Basking Ridge, it is my honor and absolute delight to pronounce you husband and wife. Steve, you may kiss the bride. Distant, far